Hello, beautiful people. It's your girl, Miss Ileane. And if you're new to this channel, this is a place where you can come and you can find out about all things to do with live streaming, podcasting, and social media. Today's topic is live streaming, and we're going to be talking about Streamyard and one of their new updates. And StreamYard is one of the most powerful browser based live streaming platforms. And one of the cool things about StreamYard is the way the founders, Gage and Dan, always make sure that the platform is being updated based on the feedback that they get from their users. And one of the highly requested features that I'm going to share with you today is adding another camera into your broadcast. So, first, what are the benefits of having an additional camera on your stream? If you're someone who works with their hands and you want to show off what it is, if you're crafting or if you're working on some type of a building project, you want to have that second camera angle so you can talk through with your viewers what it is that you're doing. You also may just want to add interest to your stream by showing different camera angles, behind the scenes, and all of that. Don't worry, you're not going to need to buy an expensive mirrorless camera, but what you can simply do is use your phone. And in today's video, I'm going to share with you how I use my iPhone as a second camera in StreamYard. If you're going to use your phone as a second camera, you're going to need a third-party app. Now, I use Ecamm Live in the virtual camera, but we all know that there's other free apps out there as well that you can use as your virtual camera in order to take that image from your phone and put it onto your computer and it'll show up as a second camera. By the way, I highly recommend Ecamm Live if you're on a Mac. From inside my StreamYard dashboard, I'm going to go down to the bottom and click on Share. There you see the option for the extra camera. Now, I've already got my iPhone set up to be focused on my Stream Deck, so I'll just do a demo of the Stream Deck and me just showing off there that I can turn on and off my lights with my Stream Deck. I also can control some of the layouts there inside of StreamYard using the Stream Deck. And so now I can add a banner because I already have text that's prepared inside of my Stream Deck. And I can change that to scrolling banners, as you all are familiar with, that you can use scrolling banners inside of StreamYard. And if you want to stop the cam, all you have to do is click on those three dots and stop the camera. OMG. If you want to try StreamYard, go ahead and go to Ileane.link/StreamYard so you can give these cool features a try. There's always something new to learn when it comes to live streaming. I've got videos covering the Stream Deck, Ecamm Live, and all of the new features of StreamYard. So be sure to check them out. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video. And as always, stay beautiful.